Hello, hello. Jay Scott here, aka Crypto Cowboy, in the house, bringing you some Bitcoin news today. Hey, I want to show you a chart that I think is really cool. So let's check it out here. Bada bing. All right, so this is my TradingView account. So, Bitcoin's been on a tear, and we're up here in the $41,000 range per Bitcoin. And what this cool tool shows, this is from our friends at Invest Answers, and this basically shows the trend. And as you can see, when it's up here in blue, moving up, that's the uptrend. When it switches to orange over here and back here, that's switching to the downtrend. So if you're a trend trader, you can use this to track the trends. Also, it does give buy and sell signals here. You can see a green one for buy. Here's one for sell. And I don't always follow this. What I find most interesting about this is the levels. So up here, this purple line, you can really see, this is about 42,000, 42.5. This is saying, based on the Fibonacci ratios, what levels are likely to plateau or reject Bitcoin going up or the price of any asset going up. And it's a good time to layer out. It doesn't mean that it will reject off there, but it might. And it's a good chance that it could be a good time to layer out. And so all these purple lines in this particular tool basically are showing where you can layer out. So my plan is to layer out at some of these levels. Probably won't do it this first one, but up here, this next level is about 52,800. I might take some Bitcoin off the table, take it as profit, and keep a bunch in there to let it go up over 100K. Will it get that high? Is it going to happen next year? Maybe 2026. Well, how long will this bull market last? We're definitely in the bull market. I mean, look at this. I mean, we're in good looking shape here, and yeah, I don't know. Let's see how long we're in the bull market. So let's see. Yeah. Anyways, so I just wanted to show you that. Just say, look, things are looking good. I hope you're in the market. I hope you're in Bitcoin. If you're not, you still have time. I mean, Bitcoin's going to go up to 100K or more. Says me. I don't know. Not financial advice. I just this is what I think. It's what a lot of people think. A lot of people are very excited now. I got in last time. I got in really. I had been in crypto since around 2019, but around 2020, and so I got in towards the high end of it, and or when I was in it and it was rising, I wasn't sure what I was doing. But by the time we were into 2021, 2022, I was fully invested in crypto. I was well aware of how crypto works, but I was just seeing the downside. So I heard people say, "Boy, when the bull market comes, it's going to be crazy. You better watch out." FOMO and everything. And you got to be disciplined to sell because a lot of people that have never experienced the ups and downs of a bear and a bull market, they don't sell at during the bull market and then they ride it all the way down. And unlike all the other markets, crypto goes up and down, up and down. That's the way it's always been. And so you've got to be disciplined enough to sell if you want to take some profits when it's up there in the bull market and don't ride it all the way down, unless you're a hodler and you're definitely in for the long term, next 5 to 10 years, and you don't care. But if you are looking into the crypto market to make a profit, then it's a good idea to watch it. And the cool thing about this, it's not too hard. You don't have to pick the very top. What I mean by not too hard is that we're going to know as it goes up. And, somewhere around the 80 to 100K, I'm feeling pretty comfortable. That's why I want to take some out here at almost 50K, and then maybe some more around 80, then maybe a little bit more around 100. And that's the plan. I want to be pulling out these profits now, put them into stable coins, see what I'm going to do with that. Maybe transfer some into fiat, go have some fun. We'll see. I don't know. I was thinking going to Vegas during the football season, putting some bets on might be kind of fun. I don't know. Or I should be responsible and just save for my retirement since I do have a course called Retiring Crypto. And the long-term play is, and I've got a lot of other assets that I'm looking at, some that I've got in at pennies, and I'm going to ride these babies up in the bull market. And if one out of, say, 5 of these hits big, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 100x maybe, I'll be doing really good. I could take multiple vacations to anywhere in the world. So I'm really excited about this. I've got to be disciplined. Hopefully, you're following this market, you're in the market, and you're disciplined enough to layer out. But if you're not, let me know in the comments. Are you hodling? Are you going to stay in for the long term, or are you looking to take some profits as we move up this bull market? Also, are you thinking of, if you are going to take some profits, are you going to layer out as it goes up, or are you going to layer out as it goes down? Two different philosophies. I'm going to layer out as it goes up. That's at least the thought now. We'll see what things happen. There's talk that this potentially could be the last time we ever have a bear market. I mean, there's so many macro tailwinds to Bitcoin and crypto going up, up, up. Of course, they always say that, right? Isn't that where the term up always came? No, it doesn't always go up, up, up. And a lot of people are saying, well, this time is different. And there are a lot of issues between the ETFs, a lot of big traditional finance monies coming into the market. You've got the halving coming up. You've got some things that have never really happened before. You've also got the lowest potential supply. You've got long-term holders that aren't giving it up. So even though Bitcoin will be halved next year, there'll be less Bitcoin available. You've got the big guys that aren't selling a lot. Now, we'll see what happens as price goes way up. Are they going to sell, take some profit, or are they just holding on for the long term? I don't know. I don't think Michael Saylor is selling for MicroStrategies. He's got billions of worth of crypto. Anyways, so that is the show for now. Make sure to stay safe out there. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.